This hand dryer, home hand dryer that I just received. I'm going to be unpackaging it right now, show you what it is inside, what it comes with, and then I'm going to be installing it in our kids' bathroom just to see how it works. So this is the box that comes in. It's a nice size, and as we open it, we have the instructions. Fairly simple, just one-page instructions, and then this is where it comes. So I'm going to be taking it out. Okay, it comes with the hardware, that everything that it needs to install it. And so here's in the back, and this is pretty simple. From what I just looked in the instructions, there's basically a little metal plate that is installed on the wall, which then hooks up to here, or this hooks up to this metal plate. Plug it in and ready to go. There's not a lot of installation, a lot of complication to this. I have wood, so I'm not going to be using the anchors. I'm just going to go straight into the wood. So right now, I'm going to use the plate and the screws provided and follow the instructions. So right now, I'm just going to put it right here. It will help if I grab the screw. Let's put it right there. I'm going to take the hand dryer and I'm going to mount it as directed. So right here. There you go. And I'm going to plug it in to see how it goes. So it's plugged in. The green light shows that it works. Now let's see how it works. And it's actually warm. Well, of course it's warm, but it's warmer than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to take my hands out. That was easy. So this was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. It works really nice. It's light. It is plastic, but solid. And it was a lot easier to mount than I ever thought. So I hope you guys like it, because I did.